Is it worth it to fix up your Novato home for sale? In most cases, yes, it is. One of our specialties here at Team McGinnis Realtors is helping sellers choose the right projects to fix up their homes, and that's meaning the fixes with the highest return on investment. Because why do it if you're not going to get a great return? I want to share with you today a case study of a house we just sold in Novato where we helped the sellers get a 167% return on their investment approximately. This was a house in Hamilton built in 1998. All the finishes inside were original, so about 25 years old. The main level had terracotta tiles and some carpet. The kitchen had maple cabinets, tile countertops, and original white appliances. Upstairs was carpet, and the primary suite bathroom looked its age. The sellers were going to be moving out right away because they'd already bought another home. So we created and executed a plan to get the house ready for sale in just 4 weeks after their moving day. We estimated the as-is market value of their home at $1,175,000. In general, buyers don't want to do a lot of work when they move in, so they won't pay top dollar for a home with original finishes, especially some that were in need of repair. Our sellers understood this and they were eager to make upgrades. Here are the 6 main things they did: flooring, paint, appliances, kitchen countertops, light fixtures, and yard work. Here's the kitchen before, and here's after. We painted the cabinets, added quartz counters and backsplash, and all new stainless appliances. The tile floors got demoed in 1 day, and the main level got luxury vinyl plank flooring. The upstairs got new carpet. The primary suite bathroom benefited from new flooring, paint, and light fixtures. We staged the home at no additional cost to our sellers because it's part of our service. The return on their investment was significant. Again, the as-is value of the home was approximately $1,175,000. They invested about $60,000. The house sold in 1 week for $1,275,000. That's a 167% return on investment. And what's also great is they used Compass Concierge to help pay for the improvements. That's a program exclusive to our company that will front money to sellers, up to $40,000 for pre-sale improvements, and you can use any contractors you want. There are no fees and no interest on that loan. If you want to know how to get the most money for your home when you sell, please contact us today. If you want to see more details about this project, I wrote a blog post about it on our website, besthomesmarin.com/blog. Thanks for watching.